Hey, what's going on? Today, we're going to create a simple calculator in Python. Whether you're new to code or looking to explore basic Python projects, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive in and build your own calculator. A calculator is a fundamental tool, and building one in Python can be a great way to practice your skills. We'll create a basic calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, we'll start by defining functions for each operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. I already created all the functions for each operation. Now let's add conditions to it. In addition, return A plus B. In subtraction, return A minus B. In multiplication, return A asterisk B. In division, we check if the denominator b is 0 or not. If it is 0, then return cannot divide by 0. If b double equals to 0, return cannot divide by 0. And in the else block, return a divide b. Now that we have our function set up, let's create a user interface using Python's input method. Choice equals input. Enter. Choice 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll create user input for numbers. Number 1 equals float. Input. Enter first number. Now I will copy the same thing. We'll do some changes in this. Now we'll call the respective function based on the user's choice and display the result. If choice double equals to 1, then print add number 1, number 2. Now we'll do same thing for next 3 steps. Now we all have done. Our simple calculator is now ready to perform arithmetic operations. Let's run this. Select operation, let's say 1 for addition. Enter first number 5. Enter second number 10. As you can see, 5 plus 10 is 15. In conclusion, creating a simple calculator in Python is a great way to practice basic functions and user input. This project can be expanded by adding more operations or enhancing the user interface. I hope you enjoyed creating this basic calculator. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python projects. Feel free to comment on what other simple projects you'd like to explore. Until next time, happy coding! Bye.